Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus Kiko. Let's dive into their core functionalities and see how they stack up. We'll explore their unique strengths, from local development power to cloud-based collaboration. Understanding these differences is crucial for choosing the right tool for your coding projects. We'll cover everything from performance to community support, ensuring you have a clear picture of each editor's capabilities. Get ready to make an informed decision about your next development environment. When it comes to features, VS Code boasts an incredibly vast marketplace with tens of thousands of extensions, offering unparalleled customization and powerful debugging. It's built for deep local integration. Kiko, on the other hand, shines with its real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to code together seamlessly in a browser. It simplifies the development environment, making it accessible from virtually any device with an internet connection, focusing on a streamlined, shared experience. Regarding performance, VS Code leverages your local machine's power, which means faster execution for resource-intensive tasks if you have robust hardware. Kiko, being cloud-native, offers consistent performance across devices, but requires a stable internet connection. In terms of ecosystem, VS Code has a colossal community and integrates with countless local tools. Kiko provides a more contained, yet highly integrated cloud environment, simplifying dependency management and setup for collaborative projects. So, who is each tool for? VS Code is perfect for individual developers or teams needing deep local control, extensive customization, and powerful offline capabilities for complex projects. Kiko is an excellent choice for collaborative teams, educational environments, or anyone needing a lightweight, accessible IDE for quick prototyping and shared coding sessions. Ultimately, your decision hinges on whether your workflow demands the robust local power of VS Code or the seamless, cloud-based collaboration offered by Kiko.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.